With states all over the country moving quickly to restrict abortions, North Carolina's Attorney General says he will not work to make that happen here. Years ago, a court blocked a law that bans them after 20 weeks in our state, but that could change now that the Supreme Court has overturned Roe v. Wade. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland live for us in Raleigh. And Michael, you spoke with our Attorney General Josh Stein about this today. What did he say?
Right. Well, Republicans had called on him to go to court so this law could be enforced again. But he said today his office is not going to do that.
Now that the Supreme Court has overturned Roe v. Wade, a federal judge has to determine what to do about a law on the books in North Carolina that goes back decades. It bans abortion after 20 weeks with exceptions for medical emergencies. A federal court had blocked it, citing Roe v. Wade, but now it could go into effect. Democratic Attorney General Josh Stein said Thursday his office won't push for that.
I mean, what we are seeing in state after state is the restriction on women's right to make their own decisions about their bodies, their lives, their futures.
Republicans in the General Assembly could intervene and criticize Stein's decision. House Speaker Tim Moore said it was about Stein's pursuit of higher office, referring to a possible run for governor.
Attorney General Stein is refusing to do his job to protect the law of North Carolina that was passed by the General Assembly, and we think that's incompetent.
Here's what I know. If the Republicans get a supermajority, they will strip women of their reproductive rights. It's a certainty.
Planned Parenthood South Atlantic says there's been a sharp increase in patients coming from South Carolina to North Carolina and Virginia for their services. They had 95 last month and have already more than doubled that this month.
The number of South Carolinians in particular who are being forced to travel out of state for care has already skyrocketed.
Data from the State Department of Health and Human Services shows that abortions after 20 weeks are rare in North Carolina. They accounted for 0.2% of abortions here in 2020. The judge overseeing this case has given the parties involved a deadline of early next month to tell him how they think he should proceed with this. Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.
All right, Michael Hyland live for us at the Capitol. Thanks so much for that.